So today we will practice Omkara in order to balance our physical, emotional, mental and spiritual health. So you can do this in the morning on an empty stomach or even in the evening. So first we will chant Akara. So in this you have to focus on your navel. This is the Manipura chakra represented by the deities Vishnu and Lakshmi, the maintainers. So in order to balance the physicality, we must practice Akara. This we will do 7 times. After this, we will do Ukara. For this, you have to focus on your Anahata, which is just at the base of your rib cage. This is represented by Durga. So she cleanses our emotions, removes anxiety, guilt, resentment. And then we will chant Makara. In this you have to focus on your Vishuddhi around your throat chakra. This is represented by Lord Shiva himself. And by chanting Makara, we clear our memory, improves concentration, intelligence, and you're able to speak your truth. It also helps to bring you a sense of fearlessness. And this also we will chant 7 times. And in the end, we will do a culmination of these 3 sounds, A, O and Ma. And we will chant Omkara for overall balance. So let us begin. Close your eyes, keep your spine straight. You can keep your right hand over the left hand placed loosely in your lap. Just become aware of your breathing. Bring your awareness to your navel around your Manipura chakra and let us chant Akara 7 times. Inhale. Now we will chant Ukara. Bring your awareness to your heart center, your Anahata chakra, and feel the vibrations as you chant Ukara around your Anahata. Inhale deeply. Let us chant Makara now. Bring your awareness to your throat chakra, Vishuddhi, and feel the vibrations. As you chant Makara, keep your lips sealed while you practice Makara. Inhale. Now we will chant these three sounds together. A, U, M. Inhale. Observe the vibrations within your body. Allow yourself to feel grounded, present, completely peaceful within yourself. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Rub the palms of your hands together. Cover your eyes. Blink your eyes open as you look into your cupped hands. Thank you for your practice.